Hello, good evening everyone. Please, I want to make this short video concerning how to use Uchu cleansing. Uchu cleansing comes with this size of the rubber and 4 liters rubber. How to use it? Get your bucket. Let's assume this is your bucket of water. Put your water to this length. Then you shake this Uchu cleansing. Pour a little into that your bath water you want to use in bathing. When you pour a little into it, speak what you don't want in your life again. Speak what you have been undergoing. Today you are giving it quick notice to live your life. Please, while using Uchu cleansing, do not use black bucket. Then you put this soap in a native sponge, or you buy a new sponge. If you don't see a native sponge, you buy a new sponge. Use it and wash yourself. Use it and bath with that water you have missed. After bathing, these ones, you are going to use it for 7 nights. 7 nights. As you are using it, no intercourse. You are going to use it for 7 nights, no intercourse while using it. After 7 nights, the sponge you used in bathing this one, which on the 8th day, after 7 nights, on the 8th day in the morning, you burn the sponge. Then that morning, after burning the sponge, you get this liquid. You shake it also. Use the cover. Fetch the liquid, put into your bucket of water you want to use in bath. Not full bucket of water, just little bucket of water. Put a little of this liquid, then you use with the soap and bath. This is from the 8th day. Every morning, that is when you use this one. Every morning from the 8th day. After using it, you can keep the sponge for another next ritual. If you bought 45,000 naira package that comes with multiple soap, what you need to do is mix those soaps with this one in the nylon. You'll be using it to bath every morning. That is how to use it. If you buy the 45,000 naira own, or you bought any other product that is not bad luck cleansing, it is breakthrough for money, favor, and all those stuffs, mix it together with this one. This one is breakthrough soap. Mix all the whole soap together in a separate bowl. Then you'll be using it to bath. Be dropping your liquid into your bath water, be using it to bath. That is how to use Uchu cleansing. I hope I have cleared this video, because so many people keep coming to my inbox. Mama, how do I use Uchu cleansing? Soon I will start putting a instruction on the body on how to use the Uchu cleansing. Thank you all. God bless you. Remain blessed. And I wish you all good luck.